started on the journey to find out answer to the question, are the business, government and society interdependent?
Business, government, society. Are business, government, and society interdependent?
Business,
Government.
society.
These are the three fundamental pillars on which the economy of a nation stands.
But Akash, I want to know that what does business exactly mean? What is government? And how do you explain society?
Well, I asked the same question to people from different backgrounds. Well, let's have a look.
Business is something which is run by person in personal, or it can be in a group, or maybe by the stakeholders.
Business will run for a commercial purpose.
मैं अपना कारोबार जो करता हूँ वो है मेरे लिए.
Business encompasses all those activities which are incurred for a profit motive and also keeping in mind the rules and regulations set by the government.
बिजनेस जो दुकानें होती हैं जहाँ प्रोडक्ट बिकते हैं वही आपके बिजनेस.
The government creates and implements the processes, policies, and the framework under which society and the business would run and successfully function.
गवर्नमेंट से नुकसान नहीं है मुझे, मेरे कारोबार के भी नुकसान है क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट के कुछ आदमी मुझे नुकसान पहुँचाते हैं ऑलरेडी, क्योंकि मैं रोड टैक्स भरता हूँ. रोड टैक्स भरने के बावजूद भी गवर्नमेंट के कुछ आदमी मुझे रोड पे खड़े होने पे फाइन करते हैं.
Government is an entity that is of the people, for the people, and by the people, and it is formed so as to so as to adhere to the larger interest of the society. And
Government is something which is selected by the people or elected by people to have a proper code of conduct in the country.
गवर्नमेंट है नेता वगैरह यहाँ जो लाइट्स पुलिस गवर्नमेंट वर्किंग जो होता है ट्रैफिक संभालना या पुलिस मेंटेन करना, सेल टैक्स, इनकम टैक्स और रोड्स वगैरह ये सब गवर्नमेंट.
society encompasses all the surroundings and mostly there's a human aspect to it, the culture, the traditions, and the norms that are set by the people around you.
समाज में मुझे मेरी फैमिली से मुझे फ़ायदा मिला है, मतलब मुझे मेरे घर वालों ने बिजनेस करने के लिए पैसा लगाया मेरे.
Society is something which is created by the people and based upon the region and the religion of the community.
सोसाइटी जो आसपास के लोग हैं अपने जिनको हम जानते पहचानते हैं सोसाइटी नहीं रिलेटिव्स फैमिलीज.
Society essentially is the umbrella under which the business and the government daily functions.
Akash, you seem bothered. What happened?
Listening to these people's opinions, a new question has started pestering me.
Something or the other always pestering. What is it now?
I now more or less know what business, government, and society are. But can any one of these function without the other two?
Do you mean are these three interdependent?
Exactly.
Let's look at the people again.
Yes.
Yes, for me, business, government, and society are highly interdependent.
Yes, they are interconnected to each other.
But why?
That's how I would like to put it, that the society being the umbrella, government and business working in this, inside this circle, the government forming the frameworks and policies, and the business functioning accordingly in their commercial ventures.
Actually, I think what we exactly do in our life that affects all these three things, and what we learn from our basics, that means our society. First of all, when we are at childhood age, what we learn exactly, that only we can give to our society, and that only can build a good government.
उसके बिना तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. वो एक बिजनेस के बिना ऐसा कुछ सामान लेना है, खाने के राशन नहीं चाहिए. बिजनेस के बिना राशन का सामान भी कैसे आएगा? बिजनेस गवर्नमेंट सब पुलिस वगैरह ना हो तो कैसे काम चलेगा? फैमिली रिलेशन भी हो तो उनका भी काम ये सब एक दूसरे पे कनेक्टेड है.
Because the society has a high influence on the country. That's why the government has influence on the society, and of course, the business again it has an influence on the society. So the society is the main factor where everything is interconnected to each other.
Business has to work within the framework and the rules that are set by the government, and government sets these rules and regulations and restrictions so as to adhere to the larger interest of the society. Also, business uses the resources of the society to carry out its activities, and so has an obligation to add value to the society in return.
Now, we will tell you what we think about these three. Business. What is business? Well, right now I'm standing in Trish Allen Mall of Indore, where the business is at its prime. So, business. Well, a business is an economic system where goods and services are exchanged for money. Business can be privately owned, state-owned, and it could be not for profit also. But the basic purpose when putting up a business is to make profits.
Recently, I'm standing in front of a government building which is called as the Collectorate Office in Indore. The government. What is government? Government is the supreme body that authoritatively takes decisions and makes rules for the society. It structures and processes the society. It is the body which governs us all. It is there for the governance and better functioning of a society. Society. What is a society? Society is a network of human relations composed of ideas, institutions, and material things. We are being influenced by the society since childhood. We cannot escape or go away from it no matter what.
We are the people who form the government. All the policies that the governments make are largely for us. But if the question arises, do we really form the government? Are we really a part of it? Or does our say matter in the policies that the government make?
Is the sole purpose of business just to make profits, or does it have any more responsibilities?
A question comes to mind. Can society exist without government and business? Or even a bigger question, can business, government and society exist independently?
छोड़ो टेंडर बंद कर रहा है सरकारी काम में प्लीज मुझे जाने दो कोई भी ना ठीक है
अरे सुनो सुनो
अब क्या है मेरी माँ
शाम को शर्मा जी की बेटी की शादी है टाइम पे आ जाना
ठीक है आ जाऊंगा और कुछ
नहीं
ठीक है
What an adorable couple.
Girls. Fun apart. Which among the three do you think was playing the vital role in it? Business, government,
And society. But how do we decide which influence people the most?
I think that this question cannot be better answered than the people themselves.
I think society is the main thing which affects all these three things and all the human beings. Because as what society will be in itself, it will devote other as people belonging to the society only do all these things. They relate to the government and they will do the business and all these things. So they are interrelated to each other.
मुझे मेरी फैमिली से मुझे फ़ायदा मिला है, मतलब मुझे मेरे घर वालों ने बिजनेस करने के लिए पैसा लगाया मेरे.
Of course, the society, because the basic ethics and basic fundamentals come from the society. Thank you.
Well, if you ask me, all three, whether it's business, the government, or the society, all three are very important and have and hold their own value into the entire pyramid. But I guess the most important would be the society as a whole, because society being the umbrella, government and business working in this inside this circle, the government forming the frameworks and policies, and the business functioning accordingly in their commercial ventures.
I feel business influences me the most because it has an economic aspect to it, and we all are a part of an economy, and we have to work. I'm studying in an institution that is an educational institution, yet it is a form of a business. And after this, my career it will also be in the corporate, or even if not in the corporate but the social sector. Everything is a business because there's a give and take relationship.
Now, let us look at an instance where these three cannot work without the cooperation of one another.
Market. Market. This is a place where there's perfect integration of all the three.
The economic growth of a country is measured through its market.
Businessmen are the ones who run the market. Government makes the policies and ways to run it, and society is for whom the market exists. Listening to all this, I can pull up an analogy from a childhood story. The Three Musketeers.
I know. You mean one for all and all for one.
Exactly. So, it's very important for all these three functioning blocks of an economy to work in accordance with each other, because only then a country can develop.
Conflicts between them leads to clashes, and a lot of clashes.
Well, that is why we should try to avoid as many clashes between them as possible.
Business provides innovation, government takes care of the governance, and society of the social needs.
Well, it's very difficult to imagine either one of them without the other two.
Right.
Well, now we have enough of this discussion of whether business, government and society are, and whether they are interrelated or not.
But a food for thought. If these are interrelated, interdependent, cannot work without the cooperation of one another, but then why are so many conflicts arising between them?